Hi, my name is Mr. Kundaria. Today we are tackling the absolute class problem number one to some LeetCode question. What the deal with this question? We given an array of integer called nums and a single integer called target. Our goal is to find two numbers in that array that add up exactly to the target. Once we find them, we just need to return the indices, the position they are at in that array. The rules are simple. Each input has exactly one solution. We cannot use the same element twice. We can return the answer in any order. What is the approach and time probability? As a student starting out, the first thing that's come to mind is the Buret Ford approach. Basically, we take one number and compare it with another number in the list to see if they hit the target. If not, we move to the next one and try again. Before we code, let us talk about time probability and space probability. Since we are using a nested loop, so its time probability is 0 means n square. It is okay for the simple input, but not the most efficient. What is space probability? We are not using any extra data structure, so it's 0, 1, which is superb. Now let us start with the code. After that, I will explain how the code works. Alright, let's go into the C++ code. We started by creating our solution class. We use a for loop to pick first number. Then we use a second loop starting with I plus 1 to pick the second number, j. Because starting at I plus 1 is a key because it ensures we don't use the same element twice. Inside we check if num I plus num j equal to target. If it's match, we return a indices as a vector I j. And just in case we return an empty vector at the end through the problem, guaranteed a solution. Thank you.